Welcome to the fascinating world of microorganisms. These tiny living organisms are so small that we can't see them with our naked eyes, yet they're everywhere around us. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, and even inside our bodies, microorganisms are constantly at work. Today we'll explore how these microscopic beings impact our daily lives in ways both big and small. Let's dive into their hidden universe and discover why they matter so much to humans. Microorganisms are a diverse group of tiny life forms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Despite their size, they play crucial roles in our world. You might be surprised to learn that trillions of microorganisms live inside the human body, many of which are actually beneficial. These invisible helpers are essential for our health and the environment. Understanding what microorganisms are is the first step to appreciating their significance. Microorganisms are everywhere. They thrive in the air, water, soil, and even inside living creatures. The human body alone hosts an astonishing number of these tiny organisms. Some live on our skin, others inside our digestive system, and many more in places we rarely think about. Their presence is so widespread that it's almost impossible to avoid them. This omnipresence makes them a fundamental part of life on Earth. Not all microorganisms are harmful. In fact, many are essential for our well-being. For example, certain bacteria in our digestive system help break down food and absorb nutrients. Without these helpful microbes, our bodies would struggle to function properly. They support our health in ways we often take for granted, making them silent heroes in our daily lives. Inside our digestive system, bacteria play a vital role. They break down complex foods into simpler substances, allowing our bodies to absorb nutrients efficiently. Without these microorganisms, digestion would be much less effective, leading to health issues. Their work is invisible but indispensable, showing how interconnected our bodies are with the microbial world. Microorganisms are key players in food production. Foods like yogurt, cheese, and bread rely on bacteria and fungi for their creation. Through fermentation, these microbes transform simple ingredients into delicious and nutritious products. Next time you enjoy a slice of bread or a spoonful of yogurt, remember the tiny organisms that made it possible. Fermentation is a process where microorganisms like bacteria and fungi convert sugars into other substances, such as acids or gases. This transformation not only preserves food but also enhances its flavor and nutritional value. Fermentation is used worldwide, making it a cornerstone of many traditional cuisines. Microorganisms are the unsung heroes behind this age-old technique. Microorganisms have revolutionized medicine. Scientists use them to produce antibiotics and vaccines, which protect us from dangerous diseases. These medical breakthroughs have saved countless lives and continue to play a crucial role in healthcare. Microbes are also used in research to develop new treatments and understand how diseases work, making them invaluable to medical science. The discovery of antibiotics was a turning point in human history. These medicines produced by certain bacteria and fungi can kill or inhibit harmful microbes. Antibiotics have helped control infections that once were deadly, making modern medicine safer and more effective. Microorganisms are the source of these life-saving drugs, highlighting their positive impact. Vaccines are another medical marvel made possible by microorganisms. Scientists use weakened or inactive microbes to stimulate our immune system, teaching it to fight off real infections. This approach has eradicated or controlled many diseases, protecting millions of people worldwide. Microorganisms are at the heart of vaccine development, making them crucial allies in public health. Microorganisms are used extensively in scientific research. They help scientists understand how diseases develop and how our bodies respond to infections. By studying microbes, researchers can develop new treatments and improve existing ones. The ongoing study of microorganisms is essential for advancing medical knowledge and finding innovative solutions to health challenges. While many microorganisms are helpful, some can cause harm. Pathogenic bacteria and viruses are responsible for diseases in humans, animals, and plants. These harmful microbes can lead to infections, flu, and other serious health conditions. Understanding the risks posed by these organisms is important for protecting ourselves and our communities. Microorganisms can spread easily from person to person, animal to animal, and even through the environment. This transmission is why hygiene, clean water, and proper sanitation are so important. Preventing the spread of harmful microbes helps reduce the risk of outbreaks and keeps communities healthy. Awareness and prevention are key to managing microbial threats. But hygiene is our first line of defense against harmful microorganisms. Washing hands, using clean water, and maintaining proper sanitation can prevent many diseases. These simple practices are effective in stopping the spread of infections and keeping us safe. Microorganisms remind us of the importance of cleanliness in everyday life. Access to clean water is vital for preventing diseases caused by harmful microorganisms. Contaminated water can carry bacteria, viruses, and parasites that lead to serious health problems. Ensuring safe water supplies is a global priority, protecting millions from illness and improving quality of life. Microorganisms highlight the need for clean water everywhere. Proper sanitation is essential for controlling the spread of harmful microorganisms. Waste management, clean toilets, and safe disposal of garbage all contribute to healthier communities. These measures reduce the risk of infections and create environments where people can thrive. Microorganisms remind us that sanitation is a fundamental part of public health. Microorganisms play a major role in the environment. They help decompose dead plants and animals, recycling nutrients back into the soil. This process is essential for maintaining balance in ecosystems and supporting life. Without microbes, the natural cycle of growth and decay would be disrupted, affecting all living things. Decomposition is a vital process driven by microorganisms. When plants and animals die, microbes break down their bodies, releasing nutrients into the soil. This recycling supports new growth and keeps ecosystems healthy. Microorganisms are the unseen workers behind nature's renewal, ensuring that life continues in a balanced way. In agriculture, microorganisms improve soil fertility and help plants grow. Certain bacteria and fungi fix nitrogen, making it available for plants. Others break down organic matter, enriching the soil with nutrients. These natural processes reduce the need for chemical fertilizers and promote sustainable farming. Microbes are essential partners for farmers. Microorganisms can be used as natural fertilizers. They enhance soil quality and support healthy plant growth. By relying on microbes instead of chemicals, farmers can protect the environment and produce safer food. This approach is gaining popularity as people seek more sustainable ways to grow crops. Some microorganisms are used as natural pest control agents. They target harmful insects and pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. This method is safer for the environment and helps maintain biodiversity. Microbes offer innovative solutions for protecting crops and supporting sustainable agriculture. Microorganisms form symbiotic relationships with plants. Some bacteria live in plant roots, helping them absorb nutrients and resist diseases. Fungi can also support plant health by improving water uptake. These partnerships are vital for strong, healthy crops and sustainable farming practices. Microorganisms are present in water bodies, playing important roles in aquatic ecosystems. They help break down waste, recycle nutrients, and support the food chain. Some microbes are indicators of water quality, helping scientists monitor environmental health. Their presence is essential for balanced aquatic life. Microorganisms are also found in the air. They can travel long distances, affecting weather, climate, and even human health. Some airborne microbes cause allergies or respiratory diseases, while others help regulate atmospheric processes. Their impact on the air we breathe is often overlooked but significant. The human body is home to trillions of microorganisms. These microbes live in our gut, skin, mouth, and other areas, forming complex communities. Many are beneficial, supporting digestion, immunity, and overall health. Our relationship with these tiny organisms is a key part of human biology. The microbiome refers to the collection of microorganisms living in and on our bodies. This community influences many aspects of health, from digestion to immunity. Scientists are discovering new ways the microbiome affects our well-being, making it a hot topic in medical research. Gut health is closely linked to the microorganisms living in our digestive system. These microbes help break down food, produce vitamins, and protect against harmful invaders. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is important for overall wellness, influencing everything from mood to metabolism. Microorganisms play a role in supporting our immune system. They help train immune cells to recognize and fight off harmful invaders. A balanced microbiome can reduce the risk of infections and support recovery from illness. Microbes are important allies in maintaining strong immunity. Some microorganisms cause diseases by invading our bodies and disrupting normal functions. Pathogenic bacteria and viruses are responsible for infections, flu, and other illnesses. Understanding how these microbes operate helps us develop better treatments and prevention strategies. Infections caused by microorganisms include common colds, flu, and more serious conditions like pneumonia or tuberculosis. These illnesses can spread quickly, especially in crowded places. Early detection and proper treatment are essential for managing infections and protecting public health. Microorganisms can cause diseases in plants, affecting agriculture and food production. Fungi, bacteria, and viruses may infect crops, leading to reduced yields and economic losses. Farmers use various strategies to manage plant diseases, including resistant varieties and microbial treatments. Animals are also affected by microorganisms. Bacteria, viruses, and parasites can cause diseases in livestock and pets. These illnesses impact animal health, food supply, and sometimes human health through zoonotic diseases. Monitoring and controlling animal diseases is important for agriculture and public safety. Microorganisms are key players in ecosystems. They recycle nutrients, support plant growth, and maintain environmental balance. Without microbes, ecosystems would struggle to function, affecting all forms of life. Their contributions are often invisible but vital for the planet. Microorganisms influence climate by affecting carbon and nitrogen cycles. They help regulate greenhouse gases and support soil health. Their activities impact global climate patterns, making them important for environmental science and sustainability. Microorganisms are used in biotechnology to produce medicines, enzymes, and biofuels. Scientists harness their abilities for industrial and environmental applications. Microbes are at the forefront of innovation, driving advances in science and technology. Microorganisms are model organisms in scientific research. Their simple structure and fast reproduction make them ideal for studying genetics, evolution, and disease. Research with microbes leads to discoveries that benefit medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. Microorganisms help manage waste by breaking down organic materials. They are used in composting, sewage treatment, and recycling processes. These activities reduce pollution and support sustainable waste management, making microbes valuable allies for the environment. Certain microorganisms produce biofuels by converting organic matter into energy. This renewable energy source is cleaner and more sustainable than fossil fuels. Microbes are helping to shape the future of energy production, offering greener alternatives for the planet. Microorganisms can help clean up pollution through bioremediation. They break down harmful substances in soil and water, restoring environmental health. Bioremediation is used to treat oil spills, chemical leaks, and other pollution problems, making microbes powerful tools for environmental protection. Microorganisms inspire innovation in science, medicine, and industry. Their unique abilities are harnessed to solve complex problems and create new products. From pharmaceuticals to environmental solutions, microbes are at the center of technological progress. Microorganisms affect society in many ways. They influence health, food, environment, and technology. Public awareness of microbes is growing, leading to better hygiene, sustainable practices, and scientific advancements. Our relationship with microorganisms is evolving as we learn more about their impact. The future of microorganisms is full of promise. Scientists are discovering new ways to use microbes for health, agriculture, and environmental protection. Advances in microbiology will continue to shape our lives, offering solutions to global challenges and improving quality of life. Microorganisms offer both benefits and risks. While many support health and the environment, others cause diseases and pollution. Balancing their positive and negative impacts is essential for safe and sustainable living. Ongoing research and public education help us make informed decisions about microbes. Microorganisms are part of our daily routines, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. Their presence is constant, shaping our health, environment, and society. By understanding microbes, we can appreciate their role and make choices that support well-being and sustainability. In conclusion, microorganisms are tiny but mighty. They impact human life in countless ways, from supporting health and food production to causing diseases and environmental challenges. By learning about microbes, we can harness their benefits and manage their risks. The world of microorganisms is vast, complex, and essential for life as we know it.